So this is what it sounds like when your Milwaukee M18 miter saw is dying a slow death. See how long it takes that blade to stop? If you didn't hear it the first time, you'll get to hear it again. I'm not gonna lie, I had higher hopes for the Milwaukee platform in regards to woodworking tools. What has happened with this particular saw gives me pause when I look at things like the new M18 router, which looks amazing on paper, but this right here makes me question how long it's actually going to last.